Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey, and today I'm going to show you that how you are going to access my YouTube channel. So just you need to type Python by Vivek Pandey here, and then we'll get the thumbnails and the videos of my previous uploadings. So you have to just click on one of the link, and then it will direct you to the video, and you can just click on the channel name there. See, you got it, and then once you click on that, you will yeah, total interface of my channel you can able to access, and then you have to go to playlist. In that playlist I have done with many other things like lead code problem. Just now started quizland already, we all are working on the mcqs, and then yes, problem solving on java also I have done 10 questions. Many more I will do. I'm working on it. And then we have sql, mysql is there, 13 videos, and then on python I'm working a lot. Yeah, so this way we have many things. So I wanted you all to be like subscribe, like, and also you can share to your friends, guys, because valuable content you are going to get on this. Yeah, so this is all about how to access my video, but today we are going to discuss about the second problem. Yeah, so let's see, this is the second question. The second question, I wanted you to read this. So overall we have to remove a element from a list. If some element is given, that element should be removed from the total list, from the numbers. That number, especially if whatever the occurrence it is, it has to be removed, guys. That's it. So, and in this we have to return the total number of elements. I'm going to get that, and even the count and the numbers. You can see here the examples 1 and example 2, like 3 to 3, and 3 numbers we have to remove that 3, and we are getting what 2 2. And then here also 2 we have to remove, and then after removing that 2 is repeated 3 times. So it can be in any order, that's what. So this is what input and output of both the examples. Here is the explanation part. I'm going to explain you with the help of this paint, and here I'm just pointing the 2 pointers I and j, and then one for loop is going to run, and then till the length of the list, and then we are going to give a condition. This condition is going to check if it is not equal to the value, then only it will be what, a true, and then we are going proceeding further for this condition. So I'm just placing I and k in the starting index of the list. So let's write the code here. So in this, two things are important. The code, it is going to take it in a class. So inbuilt, like it is a platform of leetcode, so it wanted us to write in a class. So class name, I'm giving a solution. Yeah, and then here two things we have to observe, that one class, and then again functions also we are taking a help. And the function name I have given like remove elements, and here we are passing out three parameters. Self is what connected to the object. Yes, it is passing the address, and then I'm just writing the conditions here. First for loop, and then if condition, as I have explained earlier, not equal to val, then we are, if this condition is true, then we are doing what, nums storing, and k value we are increasing, and then returning k. And then I'm just taking the values, and then I'm creating an object. And once I'm creating an object, then again with one variable, because I'm returning k, right? So to catch that, there should be one variable, so result, and then I'm just finally printing the result. That's it. So now here, if there is any issue, we are just going to change the name of the function. Yeah, because it doesn't work with the elements, so I made it what, element. Now it's working fine, it accepted. And now if I submit it, yes, it's working fine, guys. See here. So that's it, we are done with this. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I wanted you all to please do appreciate the efforts whatever I'm doing for you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and then we'll be meeting in another question, another problem solving, third one. So till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.